Hi there, Cousin Abe, back with you today to show you how to toast coconuts. Now I've got my favorite coconut flakes here, and I've got my pan over here heating up. This is going to be very effortless and very simple. I've got a Teflon pan, I've got a small one. I have a variety of different sizes, so we're just going to be using a small one. I've got it heating up right now. Really, it's all very simple. I'm going to grab my glass of wine, just in case I get bored while it's toasting. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just going to put a few in here. And you can buy this at any store. It's normally in the baking aisle. The purpose of me toasting this is to basically show people how to toast coconut flakes. Coconut flakes are great on desserts, they're great on pastas, they're great in smoothie drinks. I have a video out right now that I'm showcasing my first YouTube video, and it's a pineapple smoothie. And as a topping, I've used toasted coconut flakes. So I promised my audience that I would have a follow-up video showing how you toast coconut flakes. So here you are. Looks like it's actually doing pretty good right now. Once I'm done, I'm going to set it aside and I'm going to decide what I'm going to use it for. But I wanted to keep to my word and show everyone how to do this. So right now it's toasting, it smells awesome. I'm going to turn this up a little bit just so that I can just kind of continue to get it to continue to toast. One thing that I want to mention is that I'm going to also have a video on the fundamental on how to toss food like you see the chefs do in restaurants and higher end stores and hotels and things like that. I can smell the coconut. Can you smell the coconut, Mike? Oh my God.
So good.
It is so good, and it's going to make your whole kitchen smell amazing, and you're going to just want to use this for everything. Now, I did mention that some of the things that I like to use coconut on, pastas, salads, bakery things, desserts, smoothies, coffee drinks. But basically, we're pretty much done. Only takes a few minutes. You can see that it's starting to get brown a little bit. I'm gonna just set it back on there. So ultimately, when we're done, you basically want it to look like this. So I have a combination of different ones in here. But on my first video that I premiered, I challenged my audience to purchase a blender and to do smoothies for a week. So if you continue to follow me, which I'm expecting you to, and you like my videos, you're gonna find out all this information that I'm offering right now. So right now, I'm pretty happy with the way that these coconut flakes have toasted, so I'm gonna turn this off. You always wanna remember that you don't wanna walk away from your stove and have something on the stove, especially if you have little kids or if you're clumsy or whatever. Like me, I have some hips on me, so I might knock something over. But anyway, here you go. Oh, look at that, see? Nice, right? So I'm gonna set this down, my wine. I'm gonna walk over here. Very, very happy. I'm gonna just kind of, oh, look at that. And there you have it, folks. Toasted coconut, effortless, nice, fat-free. And there you go. Any questions? Just continue to keep following me. Make sure you like my videos. And always remember that you're blessed. I'm blessed, you're blessed. Be healthy, live healthy, eat healthy, shop healthy, stay healthy, enjoy healthy, and always do healthy. Thank you once again, and I'll see you next time. Bye.